The Unreal Engine is a game engine developed by Epic Games, first showcased in the 1998 first-person shooter game Unreal. Although initially developed for first-person shooters, it has been successfully used in a variety of other genres, including platformers, fighting games, MMORPGs, and other RPGs. Written in C++, the Unreal Engine features a high degree of portability, supporting a wide range of platforms. The latest release is Unreal Engine 4, which launched in 2014 under a subscription model. Since 2015, it can be downloaded for free, with its source code available on GitHub. Epic has announced Unreal Engine 5 to be released by mid-2021. The first-generation Unreal Engine was developed by Tim Sweeney, the founder of Epic Games. Having created editing tools for the shareware games ZZT and Jill of the Jungle, Sweeney began writing the engine in 1995 for the production of a game that would later become a first-person shooter known as Unreal. After years in development, it debuted with the game's release in 1998, although Microprose and Legend Entertainment had access to the technology much earlier, licensing it in 1996. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.